I don't think they made but just so many of them. Actually, when I first got it, I called it a double eagle. Well, it's not, it's an arrow sleeper. We actually found and had a picture of the magazine where Shelby Elliott had it maybe in the 90s and had it for sale. And that's how we knowed what brand sleeper it was. In his advertisement, it told what it was, an AeroStar sleeper, you know. And like I said, I've been told since that there wasn't very many of them made. My name's Michael Cook from Jamestown, Tennessee. My relationship with the truck, I found it in the bushes pretty much. When I turned around the corner and saw it sitting, I told my wife right then, before I ever got out of the truck, I said, I'm buying that truck. What'd you say? You say you did, why do you want that truck?
What do you want with that big yellow thing?
So anyway, she come to like it though. Yeah. She does lots of work. She does all the interior sewing. And
so I made me some pants with butternut on it. This is the quilt I made for Brian. It's inside.
It's got a quilt that's the same material in it.
And that's the year model. I tried to get him and Brian to let me make them a pair, but no.
We're still thinking about it. Right? Yeah. Ended up taking it to a show with Brian at Semi-Casual, and when we left to go to the show, he said, I'm buying your truck. Well, I said, well, I have not priced it. So he said, well, but you will. And so by the time we come off of the trip and got back to the house, he bought the truck. So he's took it from where I had it and done a lot to it. It's what I do. I get them up and going. I like to get them out of the bushes, get them up and going, and I sell them and go to my next one. And luckily with this, and I get to follow up I guess what you could say, the dream with it. I get to follow up and get to enjoy it, you know. It's 81 359 standard hood. It's got a 84-inch AeroStar sleeper on it. Done a few things to it. It didn't have no interior in it at all. We had all the interior. We had to do all of it. He had done the dash. He'd painted the panels, done a bunch of airline work. He done the hardest. But we took it from there and we had to put all the interior in it. And Brian is, since he's got it, of course, he's updated a lot more things. He's got electric wipers on it. He air ride fronted it. He's redone the lights. He's done a lot to it. There's a lot that you won't see from when I had it, but he's done a tremendous amount to it, you know. It's just made a fun old truck. Butternut, old Butternut.
Tell me the story behind that name.
Well, I was just sitting there at the house one day and I was looking at it, and the color, I love the color, and it looked like a butternut color to me. And I've got a fella at home, and on the back of it, you can see that in a little bit, that does my painting for me, pinstriping and stuff. And when he come to do that, he said, well, what do you want on it? I said, I don't know. I said, let's put old Butternut. And that's just what we went with, and that's what we named it. And it's just stuck. It just seems like it. When I was coming up on the interstate, a lot of people on the radio, well, there's old Butternut. So it's become there's a lot of people seen it, you know. It's pretty neat. I don't know, I think it fits it. Evidently it does. A lot of people thinks it does. So that's just one of them things.
So that sleeper, tell me why that sleeper is special.
That I don't think they made but just so many of them. Actually, when I first got it, I called it a double eagle. Well, it's not, it's an arrow sleeper. And like I said, I've been told since that there wasn't very many of them made. So I don't know. I don't know the answer, really the particulars of that, but I think that's why it is special. So
anything else you want to add about the truck?
She's went to a new good home. She's got a lot of new parts. Brian's put a lot of hours in it.
Yeah.